If you're moving, he's not going to stop to your hand. She's moving, it's no way to. All right. You should talk to her. When you talk
Stay
to her,
still, London.
she will think with you and they'll come to her.
Okay. London, put your hand up, baby girl. Put your hand up. Wait for the people to pass. All right, stand up. Roman, come over here. Roman, come over here.
Come over.
Come over here.
Be a little bit back, man.
London, come stand here.
Don't move. Don't move.
Don't move.
Yes.
Good job, Ron. Good job.
Good boy.
He's feeding. He likes you, Roman.
Yes, good boys. Good boy.
Okay, London, don't move. Don't move, baby girl. Keep your hand up. Keep your hand up, baby girl. He's coming. He's coming. Hold your hand up high. Hold your hand high.